In this video, we will explain how to mount a BVC central vacuum cleaner on the wall and put it into operation. Slide the BVC central vacuum unit vertically from above downwards into the wall mounting bracket. Insert the vacuum pipe into the suction flange and fix the rubber sleeve. For this you will need a 7mm socket wrench or screwdriver. If available, mount the silencer and exhaust air pipe on the motor cover. For digital devices, connect the wires of the low voltage cable to the connection sockets. If you have an analog device, plug the low voltage plug into the connection socket. Insert the mains plug into the socket and perform a function test by switching the device to continuous operation for a few seconds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss a BVC video.